Hoplites, this is Crystal Fair. I'm currently on my iPhone and I thought it would take the opportunity to go ahead and share how I can upload work when my student finishes an assignment. So as you can see, I'm in my second grader's classroom right now. I'm going to go to classwork, pick the assignment that she completed, and you can see here it says your work, add private comment. I'm going to swipe up and add attachment, and I'm going to pick photo. And I've got the work that she did. I'm going to load that on. So you can also save this as a PDF in a scanner app, or you can do it with a picture. Both work. So my Wi-Fi is a bit slow at the moment, so please forgive the delay. And I'm going to add the second page, this one. And it's going to load that. All right, and then I'm going to hit turn in. And we're done. I have the option to unsubmit should I need to. I'll click that real quick and you can see what that looks like. Unsubmit. And it goes back to being not submitted again. So there you go. Hope this helps.